There are so many ways that you can use a basic coffee filter, not just for making coffee. These are amazing. For quite a few things, they're already pre-cut to size. Not only that, these things are relatively cheap. So here I have 200 filters and I paid about $2.39 for this whole bag. Talking about economical. It'll take me a while to go through 200 coffee filters. They also come in all natural, or you can get them in white. They also come in more than one size. These are the 8 to 12 cup size, but they also come in the 4 to 6 cup size. So you even have a smaller choice for those smaller projects that we're getting ready to get into. First up on my list is to strain your food. All you need to do is take the coffee filter, put it in the strainer. You can strain oil, you can strain liquids, you can strain pasta or anything else that you want to strain. Grab the smaller size if you have a smaller strainer. Have you ever been using your microwave and you had a bowl or something, you put it in the microwave and it just started splattering everywhere? Then you had to clean up your microwave when you were done. Next time you have a bowl of something, a plate of something, or anything, and you have that, take a coffee filter, stretch it out like this, and place it right on top of your dish. Splatter proof. No more cleaning up that microwave every 5 minutes either. Don't forget to tell the rest of your family members about this one so they cannot mess up the microwave for you to clean it. Take a coffee filter and get it nice and damp. Not too wet, okay? Ball it up a little bit, make sure it's wet all over. Shake it out, and you can clean your cell phone screen, your computer screen, all of these screens. All those things work perfect with coffee filters, including your eyeglasses. They come out completely spotless and lint-free. Want your closet to smell real nice? You can grab some nice herbs, dried herbs, put them in a coffee filter, add in some whole cloves, just like that. Twist it up, and you can put as much or as little as you like. Twist it up, add a nice cute ribbon onto it. You can get a little fancy with it and curl the ends of your ribbon up. And you have a nice cute sachet. This works amazingly well in closets, in drawers, even in your car. If you need to store your silverware, even if you just have a certain set that you use at the holiday time or a guest arrive or something like that, and you want to keep it in storage, don't want it to tarnish or get any scrapes or anything like that on it, you can wrap it up in a coffee filter. The coffee filter will keep it nice and safe. Do you have a small jar or something that you need to pour some liquid in, but you'd rather do it with a funnel? Take your coffee filter and fold it in half, just like that. Then wrap it so that it creates a funnel. Put the point side down into your container and then pour your liquid in. And there you have a funnel. Don't want to use your whole box of baking soda to sit in the refrigerator for odors? Just pour some in a coffee filter. Just like that. Then you can sit it in your refrigerator or your freezer for odor control. Want to keep your plates nice and neat when you have them stored in your cabinet? Not only will a coffee filter protect them, by just placing them on there, putting the plate on top, saucers and plates, but it will also keep them from clanging every time you go in your cabinet. So not only will you keep them nice and safe, but you'll keep all that noise down, clangety clang clang, as you put your dishes away. You have any old dryer lint in your dryer? You can take that, put it in a coffee filter, tie it up, and you have an instant fire starter. Dryer lint is highly flammable. So if you do that, make sure you keep it in a safe space. Do you find that sometimes you have an open box of crackers or cheeses or something like that, cookies even, and you go back for them and they're starting to get soft because they're starting to get stale? All you have to do is put in a coffee filter. It will absorb any moisture that's making your crackers and cookies and things like that soft and stale. Using a coffee filter is a great economical way to wrap a small gift, just like you would any other package. Take a string and you have a nice, cute package. You have a hot cup of coffee or a cup of tea and you have nowhere to sit it and you don't want to sit it right down on whatever surface you are, stack just a few coffee filters. It's a nice place to sit a hot mug. If you need to write on something and you have a Sharpie, a marker, or even crayons, and you're worried that it might bleed through, grab a coffee filter, put it right underneath the paper, and you can write anything you want, and it won't bleed through onto your surface. If you have a hat or even a helmet that you really want to keep clean, maybe you sweat a lot in your head or anything else, you have oils or things in your hair and you really don't want to mess your hat up, you can take a coffee filter, put it inside of your hat, and then put your hat on. The coffee filter will absorb any sweats and oil and keep your hat nice and clean. Have jewelry that you want to keep nice and clean? You can use a coffee filter to polish it up and it won't leave any lint. It'll leave a nice, beautiful shine. Want a cup of tea, but all you have is loose leaf tea? Grab a coffee filter. Put your loose leaf tea in the filter. Grab the string, tie it up, and you have a tea bag. You can also leave a coffee filter just like it is. And you can shake a few drops of 100% essential oil on it. It only takes a drop or two. And put it under your car seat, in your closet, anywhere that you want to prevent odors from being. This is an amazing way and an easy way to create an air freshener. You can use a coffee filter to protect your iron and your clothing. Have something light and delicate that you want to iron, but you're worried that you may scorch it, put your item on your ironing board and the coffee filter on top and iron away. If you buy leafy greens like this in a package and you're worried about once you open it, air is going to get in there, it's going to just start getting soggy and wet and mushy, make sure you open it right and place a coffee filter right on top of your salad greens and then close it right back up. The coffee filter will absorb any moisture, keeping your salad greens fresh longer. One of my favorites. If you are planting any plants whatsoever, and you want to make sure that it's going to have the proper drainage and water just won't sit down in there, all you have to do is take a coffee filter and put it inside of your actual pot before you put your soil and dirt in it. That will provide the proper drainage for your plant. And here is a bonus tip. My absolute positive favorite thing to do with coffee filters, besides make coffee, is line my cake pans. There's no need to cut out parchment papers. You don't need the scissors and try to fold it and get the dimensions right. All you need to do is spray or put a little butter in the bottom of your pan first. That will help the coffee filter stick. Then put the coffee filter right down in. It is almost a 100% perfect fit, okay? This coffee filter will absolutely 100% keep your cake from sticking. Once you have the coffee filter in the cake pan, be sure to go ahead and either spray it again or put a little flour in it, whatever the cake recipe calls for. These coffee filters can be used for so many things. I just touched on a few that I like to use them for besides making coffee. Now, tell me in the comments, have you used coffee filters for something else besides coffee? Let me know what that is. Let's start a conversation. Maybe you can give me some tips that I haven't thought about. Hit subscribe. Let's get to 500,000 subscribers. And be sure to watch the video on the screen. I'm Pam and this is my POV.